Hi children, good morning to all. Welcome back to the online classes of Sri Gokulam Public School, Guruvayur. How are you children? I hope you are fine and safe at home, is it? In the previous class we have discussed our 12th chapter. What's the name of the chapter? Anil's Red Cycle. So we have discussed the summary of this lesson. In this story, a little boy, his name is Anil, he got a cycle on his birthday. So let us read that lesson together and I will explain. So shall we start?
Lesson 12, Anil's Red Cycle. We have already completed the textual activity. Get started. And shall we read? Today is Anil's birthday. Happy birthday, says mother. She is happy. Happy birthday, dear Anil, say grandmother and grandfather. We have something for you. Father is smiling. He is pointing to the window. Anil goes to the window. He sees a red cycle. It has a pink flag. I love it, says Anil. He hugs grandmother and grandfather. He says thank you very much. So children, that day was Anil's birthday. Mother wished Anil happy birthday and he was very happy. And grandmother and grandfather and his father also wished happy birthday to Anil. And they had a surprise for Anil. Father was smiling and he pointed to the window. Anil goes to the window and he sees a red cycle. It has a pink flag. I love it, says Anil. When Anil saw grandfather and grandmother had a surprise, he went to the window and he saw the red cycle standing outside. It had a pink flag and Anil loved that cycle very much and he said he loved it. He hugged grandfather and grandmother and he says thank you very much. So children, in the text, you can see a box. In that box, two questions are there. Complete these sentences. The first question, the cycle is a dash for Anil on his birthday. So what was that? Yes, the cycle is a gift for Anil on his birthday. Second one, Anil dash his grandmother and grandfather. What did he do? Yes, Anil hugs his grandmother and grandfather. So children, you must complete these sentences in your textbook. First one, the cycle is a gift for Anil on his birthday. Second one, Anil hugs his grandmother and grandfather. So children, who wishes Anil and why? Anil's mother, father and his grandparents wishes Anil because it was Anil's birthday. And where does father point to? Father points to the window. What does Anil see outside the window? Yes, Anil sees a red cycle outside the window. And why does Anil hug his grandmother and grandfather? Anil hugs his grandmother and grandfather because they had gifted him a red cycle on his birthday. Anil rides his cycle in the evening every day after school. So after getting the gift cycle as a gift on his birthday, Anil rides his cycle every day in the evening after school because he was in the school in the morning. So children, what does Anil do every day after school? Yes, Anil rides his cycle in the evening every day after school. He loves the bell on his cycle. The bell is loud, cring, cring. So what does he like about the cycle? Yes, he loves the bell on his cycle. Trisha waves to him from her window. She is his friend. So our Anil has a friend and her name is Trisha. Trisha waves to him from her window. What do you mean by wave, children? W-A-V-E. Wave means move one's hand to and fro in greeting or as a signal. See this picture, then you can easily identify what you mean by wave. So wave means move one's hand to and fro in greeting or as a signal. So children, who waves at Anil? Yes, Trisha. Trisha is his friend. So Trisha waves at Anil. Hello Anil, she says. Look Trisha, this is my new cycle, says Anil. So our Anil showed his new cycle to Trisha. So pretty, she says. What do you mean by pretty? Pretty means lovely or beautiful. So after seeing that cycle, our Trisha says, yeah, that is too pretty. Do you want to ride with me? Asks Anil. So what does Anil show her? Anil shows his new cycle to Trisha. And what does he ask her? He asks her to ride the cycle together. Yes, I want to, says Trisha. Anil and Trisha ride their cycles every day. They have fun together. So what do Anil and Trisha do every day? Anil and Trisha ride their cycles every day and they have lot of fun together. So children, Trisha waves at Anil and Anil shows his new cycle to Trisha and he asks if they could ride together. So every day they ride their cycle and have a lot of fun together. So who is Trisha? Trisha is Anil's friend. What do Anil and Trisha do every day? Anil and Trisha cycle down the road after school every day. We have discussed two new words from this chapter. One is hug. What is the spelling of hug? H-U-G, hug. Hug means put your arms around somebody to show them that you like them. Hug means put your arms around somebody to show them that you like them. From this picture, you can easily identify the meaning of hug. And the second one is pretty. What is the spelling of pretty? P-R-E-T-T-Y. Pretty means lovely. So children, you want to study only the new words and you must understand the meanings only. Okay. Let us discuss. Answer the questions in one or two words from this lesson, page number 67. Here they are given 4 questions. The first question, what surprise do grandmother and grandfather have for Anil? What was that? Yes, a red cycle. Second one, describe the bell on the cycle. How was the bell? The bell is loud. And third one, what does Anil say after getting his birthday gift? What does he say? He says thank you very much. Fourth question, what does Anil show Trisha? His new cycle. So the first question, what surprise do grandmother and grandfather have for Anil? Answer, a red cycle. Second question, describe the bell on the cycle. Answer, the bell is loud. And the third question, what does Anil say after getting his birthday gift? He says thank you very much. Fourth question, what does Anil show Trisha? Anil shows his new cycle. So children, after watching the video, you should complete this activity in your textbook, page number 67, and read and learn.
Today we discuss our 12th chapter. Was the name Anil's Red Cycle, and I hope you understood the story and we have discussed 2 meanings from this lesson. And the first one is hug and the second one is pretty. And you must read this lesson and write and study the new words. And in the next class we will discuss the question answers from this lesson. So we can meet in the next classroom. Till then, take care. Bye.